Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ross, the tie-dyed traveling guy, coming to you from Tale of the Pup in West Hollywood. 8512 Santa Monica Boulevard. But we're not here for Tale of the Pup. We're here because this was the Doors Workshop in 1970, 1971, where they recorded LA Woman. Jim Morrison recorded his vocals in the bathroom here. What is now a bathroom. It was the vocal booth back in the day. But we're not here to go inside. I did that on another video. You can check that out on the Tie-Dyed Traveling Guy. Does it look like me at all? Maybe a little bit, not so much. But we're here on a mission to investigate the location of the Doors picture on the staircase. So I'm gonna flip this around. We got the tie-dyed traveling wife back there.
Hey, good morning.
So I had always thought that the picture was taken on this staircase. Roughly from this angle right around here. But I was also informed that there is another staircase actually that goes through that red door over there up to what is now the Lucky Tiki Room. But when the Doors Workshop was here, in the downstairs areas where they had all the recording equipment, all their instruments, and then upstairs was for the office. But I found a picture that shows some windows below the staircase. So I'm gonna see if those windows exist, if I can even get a shot up over the top to see if there are any square windows under this staircase right here. I can't even see. Oh, I guess we are getting a shot there. I don't know if there's windows there. We'll have to check it out. It's way above my head right now and I can barely see my phone. But that is, let me see if I can peek through the cracks here. Oh, that's just going into the restaurant actually, and I don't see any square windows at that point. This window that you can maybe see right there, that's actually the vocal booth. So those stairs, and there's not any way for us to see those stairs and what may be underneath to see if those windows are there. So I believe this mission is inconclusive. But if you have any information on where the photo was taken of the Doors standing on the staircase here at the Doors Workshop at Tale of the Pup, please comment, let me know, because I am unable to come to a conclusion. I'm still going with these stairs right here. That's what I'm saying. And as of now, there are no square windows under that staircase. It basically goes right to there. So once I look through the cracks and up over the top, That's basically what you see is under that staircase. If I go this way a little bit, still no square windows under that staircase, so I don't know. Help me out, Doors fans. Where was that photo taken? There are multiple photos, actually. So yeah, they don't open until 12 o'clock. Right now it's about 9:30, somewhere around there. And we're heading out to Santa Monica and Venice. So we're not going to be able to get in there today. But like I said, I do have a video where I did go inside, go into the vocal booth. Took some shots up on the stairs there and took a tour. Walk in the footsteps of the Doors, 1970-71. Alright, y'all. Let me know what you think, where that photo was taken. Share it with all your Doors friends. Let's figure this mystery out. Subscribe. Like it. Share it. Tie-dye traveling guy and the tie-dye traveling wife.
Ready to go.
Going to the beach. Safe travels, y'all. Keep rocking.